All right, I'd like to welcome everyone to the Coin King channel. I am Down to Crypto TA, and you can follow me on Twitter at Down to Crypto TA. It is my only social media account. I'm just going to be taking a look at a Bitcoin chart. No intros or anything today. Just trying to stream on another platform for you guys, and I was having such a difficult time, but here we are. Here we are. All right, let me just turn on some moving averages with this real quick. All right, so here on the weekly chart, I'm going to start with the good. The good is that we finally got a crossover on the weekly chart. This was literally right here. So just a few days before Christmas, we got this crossover on the weekly chart. And it's a nice little opportunity because we haven't had this opportunity since back over here. We got this pump. It's a little small little pump right here. I don't really see us doing a whole lot of busting action on the weekly chart simply because we've been making these lower highs here on the stochastic. We've pretty much been making these lower highs since back over in around the $69,000 region. So yeah. So when we do get this move, I'm looking for no more than probably retesting this wick right here or trying to get up here into this area that's around the high end of $18,000, $19,000 right there. I don't see us getting back up here in the $20,000 region in the foreseeable future. And the weekly charts do take a little time to play out. So I don't expect to see this move happening soon either. So if I go from here where we got this crossover at, and we want to get back up here into this area, we're going to need to put in about a 33% gain. And again, since we're making these lower highs here, we really need to see some volume kick in. That's one thing we need to see, and some money come back into the market. Everyone is still a bit fearful in the market. In fact, let me show you guys this here. Let me turn some noise off. All right, so here, when we got this crossover here, which was from back over here to the top up here, that was a 33% move, and that's what we're going to need to get back up around the $20,000 region. When we got this next move, which, is this lower high right here, that was only an 18% move. And so far, Bitcoin has only done less than a 5% move right now on the chart. So if we start to lose this opportunity, I'd be looking for us to put in a new low. I know no one wants to hear that. Everybody thinks the Bitcoin bottom is in. Well, some people do, unless you're capo. Nothing really implies that the bottom is in for me, unfortunately. We're not going anywhere. We've simply just been losing the volume. We've been losing the volume since prior to Thanksgiving, and that was so super bearish right there. We just got a crossover here with the 10 and the 20, but as long as the 20 is still pointed down, then we'll probably come down. In the immediate, I'm still looking for us to drop down to that 1611 that we did not hit as we were catching some support, and that's over on the daily chart there. But this 50-period moving average is still laying a little flat also. So we could come down and probably hold up some support right in here. But the next immediate support, what am I doing? I gotta give you guys some noise again. All right. So that's going to be right here. This is your next area of support right here, which is 12,200. So that would be the next area of support for Bitcoin. I'm just going to go ahead and delete these for now. Really need them. I'll come back and revisit it once we start to see some movement chart. All right, so let's go over here on the daily chart. Hmm. Yep. I was looking for this breakdown to happen right here. Right after we got this pump right here, I was calling for this, not that, I was calling for, uh-oh, I have to turn that on. So I was calling for that 1611, but I indicated if that, and that is if you follow me on Twitter already, that you would have seen my my post about Bitcoin. And actually my first post came in back over here before we got this, probably back over here before we got this pump right here. I was saying that Bitcoin looks like it was getting ready to dump off. But we probably get a fake out or some sort of a pump to the upside before we did that. That was my hopium that we would do that, and we did. And we came into this strong area of resistance right here, and we came into it with divergence. And that's when I started saying to everybody again, hey, I think now is a good time to get on out of the markets. Because more than likely we're going to come down here, test this 16,552 or possibly this 16,117, which what I was talking about earlier is that we did not hit this target yet, and that is because of this little bit of support right here. This little bit of support right here is what has kept Bitcoin from hitting this target right here. But it's going to happen. It is going to happen. And it's probably about to happen soon and very soon. Soon and very soon. And that will reset us on the daily chart once again. And until we can make some highs on the lower time frames, we will not see highs on the higher time frames. And that's just plain and simple. Every move we make is a move made with divergence. So as far as that weekly chart goes, and it'll take some time for that to play out. Yes, it will. But as far as that weekly chart goes, until we can put in some higher highs without creating bearish divergence, every time we get a little small rally to the upside, you won't see those massive returns on a higher time frame, such as the weekly or the monthly chart. It's just not going to happen. It's inevitable. All right, guys. So that's really all I have for the Bitcoin chart. Just look for some more action to the downside. Possible opportunity on the weekly chart to get back up in here. Retest this area right here. And there's nothing but space and opportunity all up through here. But we need for the fear to start to leave the market, and people want to invest. All right, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, follow me on Twitter at down2cryptoTA. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you to the Coin King for allowing me to use his platform. Peace out.